if you're a healer or have a wellness business and you want to start to transition from one-on-one work to one-to-many work and have some sort of digital or online product where you can do that, then watch this video because this is the beginning of a series of videos where I'm going to show you how you can do that without a ton of tech setup. So first off, my name is Dur, and I actually started in the digital marketing industry 15, almost 20 years ago now. And about halfway through that, I started my healing journey and I became certified in a bunch of different healing modalities, and I was out there healing people. And through doing that work, I ended up realizing that while I was a great healer, it didn't feel connected with this inner knowing that somehow I needed to integrate technology. So long story short, because of my background in technology, people in my healing community tended to turn to me for technical assistance, marketing assistance. And that was a very key sign to me that it was time to drop my one-on-one clients and my programs that I had for healing and come back to the marketing space, but help specifically healers. So that's why you're seeing me, and that's why I'm calling you out, because this is specifically for you. So with that being said, how do you know what to turn into a digital product? A lot of the clients that I have already have a bunch of digital resources that they provide for their clients already. And what I help them do is flip it in a way that can be sold online. So that's one way to get started with your digital product. There is a caveat to that. You need to make sure that it is solving a specific problem for a specific person. But that is going to be its own piece of this series. So the next way to know is if you don't actually need more one-on-one clients, but you have maybe reached this limit where you're like, I still want to keep growing financially and business-wise, so I need this extra stream of income to create more of that financial freedom, time freedom, whatever it is, right? And lastly, if you are tech savvy, that's great, but if you're not, that's exactly why I'm creating this entire series. So make sure you follow this channel so that you can see each time that I drop a new video related to this series. All right, so with that being said, let's show you exactly what you're going to need to make this whole thing work. The first thing is you're going to need a Gmail account. Yes, just a Gmail account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. The next thing you're going to need is a YouTube account. Now, if you have a Gmail account, this is easy to open because they are connected. And again, it is free. All right, so some last things that you're going to need, but they're not absolutely necessary, is you're going to need a social media account. So whether that's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. This is optional, but it will definitely accelerate your results. So just keep that in mind. And then you may also want something that will allow you to show your screen. So you can get a Loom account for free. You can get Canva, or even something like Restream. Now, again, these are totally optional because you can still do this entire thing with just your Gmail account and your YouTube account. And last but not least, you need a way to get paid. So you need a Stripe account. Now, if you end up following along with this whole series, then you're going to get a step-by-step how to actually implement this whole thing. I'm going to be recording live the modules that goes into this course, which is the Low Tech Info Biz course. Well, at least that's what I'm tentatively calling it. So if you want to make sure that you get notified of when the next pieces come out, grab my story selling framework down in the description below, and you'll be added to my email list. You'll get that asset to start collecting your different stories that you're going to tell throughout this thing. And I will see you in there.